I just started with this method and it's already paid me out $335.71. And believe me when I tell you, that's just scratching the surface. People are making thousands of dollars every single month with this method. And the best part is you can do it absolutely free. You don't need any experience for this to work. Simply follow the steps I lay out for you in this video. And be ready because I'm going to share an AI trick with you that's going to blow your mind. Let's get into it. Step one is to research web hosting affiliate programs. So I went on Google and I just did a quick search for web hosting affiliate programs. And you can see right here is a list of a bunch of different web hosting affiliate programs. What you want to do is figure out what are some high paying ones. And there are a lot that will pay you good money. But what I use is something called Hostinger. Now, this is a platform that I actually have websites set up on. It's low cost and beginner friendly, which makes it great as an affiliate. So what you would do is come to Hostinger, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see their affiliate program. You can simply sign up. Now, as a bonus for those of you who already have Hostinger, they do have something called a referral program, which basically means in your back office, if you already have them and you're hosting a website with them, you can refer people, you're already approved, and you can start making money. Applying to their affiliate program doesn't necessarily mean that you will get approved. Not everyone does get approved. That's why it's a bonus. If you're already using the software, you can get paid by promoting it. The next thing you want to do is jump over to this site right here called SEOWriting.ai. I will leave an affiliate link in the description for you. This you sign up absolutely free. So let's take a look at the pricing right here. If I show you, you can generate up to 5 articles every single month absolutely free. And that's why we're going to use this tool. And then I'm also going to show you a really cool method using ChatGPT here in just a minute. But go ahead, click the link in the description, get signed up to this, and let's move on. Once you're signed up to SEOWriting.ai, what you want to do is click on this one-click blog post. So I'm going to click on here. And now we're going to generate an entire article using AI. Now you can use something like ChatGPT to come up with article titles, or you can even use something like this, which is a absolutely free keyword research tool that also uses AI. But in our case, we don't even need to do that. So what you can see here is I typed in the main keyword, Hostinger review. I'm going to click generate a title. And what happens is this software will actually create a title for you. So it says Hostinger review, best budget web host for beginners. If you like what you see, you can move on. Let's just say that you don't. You can click generate title again. And guess what happens? It will now generate another title for you. So what you want to do is just figure out what you like. And once you like the title, you can move on. So this software is absolutely amazing. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So the first thing you want to do is select your article size. In this case, I'm going to choose medium, which places the article between 2,400 and 3,600 words. The next thing you want to do is choose your tone of voice. So you have friendly, professional, informational, transactional, and inspirational. In this case, what I want to do is say informational because we're going to give people information about this hosting platform. Next, what you can do is come over here and choose your AI model. I'm going to leave it on Claude, but there are other models that you can use right here. Then you want to come over here and choose your point of view. I'm going to select first person. I think it's more personable when you're creating blogs in the first person. Select your target country. I'm going to choose United States. And then this part is really important, which is called the humanized text. And what you can do is you can actually remove AI words. You have basic and extended AI word removal. I'm going to choose extended, and then you can choose what grade level you want this written at. I'm going to leave it at recommended 8th and 9th grade, which is easily understood. From there, you want to come down here and you can have it generate AI images. I'm going to say yes, generate 3 images. Image style, you can choose here. I'm going to leave it at none. And then what you can do for the Media Hub is have it bring in YouTube videos. So I'm going to say yes, 1 YouTube video, and that's all I'm going to do in this section. The next part is also super important, which is for SEO. And this is the NLP keywords. When you click this, it's automatically going to generate NLP words, which are relevant keywords to your main keyword that you're creating this article about. So it automatically populates that and it's going to sprinkle them in throughout your article. We're going to come down here and what you're going to see are a bunch of different options. Now you can choose to toggle these off just like this. Let's just say I didn't want key takeaways. I'm going to say yes and leave everything on right here. As you scroll down, another really important step is you want to connect this to the web. So I'm going to click yes. And then what that's going to do is search out on Google in real time and pull in relevant information. You're going to scroll down here, and what you can do if you do have a website that's WordPress hosted, you can turn this on here and get it sent to your WordPress site automatically. For this tutorial, because we're doing a free method, I'm going to leave that off. Then you want to scroll back up to the top and hit this run button. Once it's done, you're going to see a green check mark here, and you can click on your article and you can come through here and you can see your entire article that was written by AI and SEO optimized. Pretty cool, right? So here's the trick that I want to share with you with ChatGPT that's absolutely going to blow your mind. I'm simply going to copy this right here, and I came over to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT, here is my Hostinger affiliate link. And I asked, will you remember that? It said, yes, it will remember my affiliate link. Then what you want to do is paste your entire article in here. And at the beginning of this prompt, you can tell it what I'm about to show you here in a minute. I told ChatGPT, I want you to hyperlink my affiliate link in relevant spots in the article. Once it came back with that, now I have an entire article. It's the same exact article, but all of these are my affiliate links that go out to Hostinger. This is really cool because now I just saved a ton of time without having to put my affiliate links in. It did it automatically. The next step to this is you want to come over to medium.com, which is an article platform. It's absolutely free to use. And the best thing about medium.com is that Google loves Medium. And for some reason, they like to rank articles that are created inside of Medium. So all I did was I pasted that article, and now I have all of my relevant keywords with my affiliate links attached to them and hyperlinked. So now I have an entire article right here, ready to go, ready to publish on medium.com with my affiliate links. Now I want to share one more method with you that's super simple that can actually bring in a lot of money, and that is come over to YouTube and you can simply target the keyword hosting a review, or whatever hosting platform that you're doing a review on and trying to make money as an affiliate. You simply want to target that company review. And the other thing that you can do is roundups, things like the top 10 hosting platforms, create affiliate links for all of them, create videos on that. Boom, Bob's your uncle. Once people watch your video, you want to leave your affiliate links below those videos and you can start making money. Have fun making money. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I will leave a link in the description of this video. Click that link and you're going to learn how you can really start making more money with affiliate marketing. YouTube thinks that you should go watch this video next. This is Nathan with Freedom Influencer, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.